The GV80, the first SUV by Genesis, begins a new journey with its unique athletic elegance, progressive philosophy, and vision inspired by youth. If a pedestrian or obstruction is detected from the rear when parking or driving out in reverse, the vehicle controls braking with a warning tone to minimize the risk of a collision. Convenient voice controls connect the driver to the vehicle and allow them to manage the heated seats, air conditioning, windows, and sunroof all without lifting a finger. Sit back in pleasant seclusion and enjoy total privacy with controllable side window curtains. Perfect for long journeys and peaceful city cruising. Write your way to the next destination. Using the center control panel's interactive and intuitive Genesis Touch controller, use your handwriting for swifter usability. The advanced air purification system cleanses all air entering the cabin, reducing fine dusts for a healthier drive. Using sensors, the filtration system monitors and informs you of the internal air quality. The Genesis GV80, featuring the Genesis brand's innovative design and its future direction, proudly shows the elegance and confidence of luxury.